Hi, this is James from tracyandmac.co.uk, and we're going to just take a very quick look at my favourite Twitter application on the BlackBerry PlayBook, and that's Blaq, that you can see here on the right hand side of the screen, which has recently been updated, now has a nice new logo as well. So we'll just take a very quick run through the main features and things that are supported on the application. So as you can see, once launching Blaq, you're given your actual Twitter feed on the left hand side of the screen here. Over on the right you have your details where you have the option to quickly send out a tweet. On the far right hand side we have various icons, as you can see here. We're currently on the home one, but we can switch to the app messages, the direct messages, lists. We have a search option as well where we can search for various things. Let's do a search for BlackBerry. We can search for either tweets or for people, and obviously the results are on the screen there. And then we have a refresh button at the bottom. But if we jump back to the home screen, well, this is obviously where we're going to spend most of our time. So there's when you actually click on tweets, depending on what the tweet actually has in it, you're presented with various options. Let's try this one here that's looks like it's got a video on it. And what this is, Blaq will initially do is bring the video on screen. So if you did want to watch it, you can do straight away, like so. So taking a step back, we then have the details of the tweet. We have the details of the actual user. So we have options here to either reply to the tweet, retweet, favourite, message the user. We can even unfollow, block and report, that sort of thing. Let's find another example here. Here's one with O2. You can view the person's avatar by clicking on them like that. Or if there is a link in the tweet, you can press the link and it will automatically open the web browser, like so. Oops, a daisy. Let's come out of there. Oh look, there's me. So if you don't actually click on the link, if you just click the actual tweet itself, you get a small box open, which gives you a sort of a preview of the actual tweet in question, which is quite nice. But as I say, if you actually give the actual link a tap, that's when it opens the web browser. Looking at the settings for this latest version of Blaq, if we drag the bezel down at the top, you'll see on the top left hand side there's me. If I had any other accounts set up, obviously the other avatars would show up there as well. Only a few options in the settings, but there's some quite nice ones. We have one in to keep the backlight on. Accounts, as I say, we can add an account. There we go, and that's where we obviously put in our username and password to authorise the application. I might as well do that while we're here. I won't show the password though, otherwise I'll get into trouble. And as you can see, now I'm logged in on the Tracy and Matt accounts. So jumping back into the settings, we've got options to have notifications on, which is nice, and then appearance. This was a feature that I've been longing for since Blaq was first released on the PlayBook, and we can now change the font, which I'm not bothered about. But what I am bothered about is changing the font size, because it was quite small, but we can, as you can see there, we can amend it so we can have as many or as little tweets on the screen as you want to, and obviously depending on how good your eyes are. Let's go for a big one. There we go. That's a little bit too big for me, but you can see the options available to you. So that's pretty much it. It's a very quick overview. I hope that's been of some assistance if you're either looking to get the BlackBerry PlayBook, or if you have a PlayBook but you haven't tried Blaq before. It's certainly the best of the bunch when it comes to Twitter applications on the PlayBook. So go check it out in App World. Thanks for watching.